All right, so we have a lot of new people here. So, just for the benefit of them, I'm going to just do a recap of what we did. We have two open trades coming in from Friday. SPX was a time decay because we had the weekend, and this is expiring today. And you can see it's already it's at a pretty decent profit level. Netflix was an earnings trade which we closed part of it, and then we added on another leg to this, and this is also up 1450. So if you look at our spreadsheet here, we're doing good. We need to close out these two trades and basically, book this profit here, and that should drive our numbers even higher. So basically, for the benefit of all the new people, the whole point of this service is to make about $300 to $400 a day. I think we are well exceeding that goal over here. So it's called the day trading service, and of course we do take debit trades or long calls, long puts, which if it makes the move that day, that's fine. But the session only lasts for 30 minutes, so it's a little bit to ask for to have it make the move right there. So we plan for it such a way that we either hedge it or we protect the profits, and then we take the trade into the next day. So that's what we have done with both of these trades, with Netflix as well as the SPX trade. So markets are just about to open, and let's give it that. But what I'm looking at is earnings coming up. So tech is reporting this week, and the first one I'm going to look at is Tesla. Now Tesla is moving up $5 in the pre-market. The other one I'm going to look at is Google. Google is also just mildly up in the pre-markets. All right, so there we go. We are started here. First, let's take care of our trades here and see what it is that we can do. So Netflix, as you can see, it is sitting right in the middle over here. However, we've got a nice profit, 630. It was more. It was showing more in the pre-market. So let's see if that number becomes better. SPX hasn't adjusted yet. Okay, there we go. All right. So Netflix seems to be adjusting, and SPX also seems to be adjusting. So this is a fantastic profit, folks. I mean, this more than meets our goal for profit. If this is a stable number, we can close it. So that is at 53 cents. So let's see if it's a stable number. No, it's 94-cent debit. At a 94-cent debit, then what do we have? Let's see. Now it is showing something else. Let's see here. Okay, this is Google. It went off. Let me bring that back. Netflix. Okay, 99 cents. Okay, 94 cents, something like that. So at 94, it's about 1200, and that I think should be a stable number. It's also moving down, as you can see. It's moving down about $7. So I think it's in our interest to close this. Right now, it's showing 1600, 1300. Numbers are jumping around, but basically at $1, $1.04. Let's just check it out here. So right now it's showing about 900. Meanwhile, SPX is moving closer to the call side as well. So let's go ahead and book the 1400 on the SPX. I think that should be a stable number. Yeah, 30 cents. It's come down to 30 cents, the condor. So I've put in an order to close that. We'll book about 1400. And Netflix, if this is a stable number, then we'll try to. All right, we are executed on this, and I'm saying, all right, let's go 125. No, not a problem, which would give us about 1600. So SPX was 1400. I'm going to note that down. Okay, and Netflix, let's take a look. It's still not executed here, but let's see the mark price on that. It's at one. Yeah, we should get executed. It's close to we're offering 1.25, and it's at 1.06. Okay, at 1.2. So that would be about $1,400 again. So this is nice. Netflix also, we are booking $1,400. All right, we are up to 15K, folks. In this, Oh, nice. So Rich says he closed Netflix at 65 debit. Fantastic. That's a good execution there. So regardless, we both of them met our profit goals. Now let's look for our new trades. The first one I want to look at is Tesla. And let's see what is Tesla doing. Okay, Tesla jumped up at the open, and now it's pulling back a little bit here. Okay. uh, it was all bullish over here right at the open, but that's why you need to wait for a couple of minutes at least until the it settles down somewhat. I mean, it's not settled down; it's up $5, so it could go higher. It went up to 338. So that is one I'm looking at, and then Google is the other one I'm looking at. And let's see what is Google doing. Okay, Google wants to move up now. Okay, it's up $2.80. So that's a little bit more than what it was showing in the pre-market. However, it's pulling back. All right, so Google, what I have here is a simple debit trade. And we are going to go into next week's expiry just because this week is the earnings. And so we, just in case if the trade goes against us, so we want to leave some time on, because it reports on Wednesday. Now, volatility is going to increase, so we don't have to worry about time decay that much because prices of the options will generally increase. So I'm saying 187.5 to 195. It's already at 187.94. So maybe let's do 190 and 197.5. Okay, that may be a little better. Google should report well, but we never know. Earnings is always a question mark, and it also depends on what kind of comments that come out after the event. But I think this is a good trade to start off with, so we can go in for this Google 1st August. It doesn't mean we're going to keep it till 1st August. It's just we're giving us a little bit of time so that if we need to make an adjustment. So this is 190, 197.5. I'm going to put that in. This is in the 1st August expiry. So let's put that in and see if we can get executed on that. Meanwhile, let's look at Tesla. Tesla, I have more of a time decay strategy. As we know, if you look at the volatility here, this week's, of course, is 82%, the implied volatility. Next week is not too bad. That's also 70%. So you're going to see a volatility crush in the next week also, just like we saw on Netflix. It's exactly the same kind of trade. We will see a crush there also. And additionally gives us the advantage of having a little bit more time in case we want to in case we need to adjust it. The plus or minus is 24 for this week. So right now at 332, so then I'm going into the 360, 365. There's only a $5 spread there, so I'm going half size, about 8 contracts, and that gives you a credit of a dollar. And here it's a $2.50 spread, so we can do 15, and it's 52 cents. So basically, we are getting $2 for this spread. If both of them were a $5 spread, we would have a $2. So $2 out of 5, it's a great risk reward, and that too because it's a time decay strategy, and we are far out of the money. So I think we should go ahead and put this also. This is the Tesla trade, 1.02. I want to try to get that, and then 52 cents on a $2.50 spread is fine. We'll take that as well. And let's see if we can get it executed. Okay, 1.05 on Tesla. And I think one more trade is yet to be executed, and that's also executed. So let me bring Tesla over to our day trades group here. So that's where we stand. This is all our swing trades. I'll keep it here. And we need to bring Google as well. So let's move Google as well to our day trades. And now if we can open everything up, that's what we are looking at. So let's watch the charts now and see how things are going. So if we were to put a time decay strategy, there we go. Now this is what, this is ideal. It's 1.85 out of a $5 spread, which is, it keeps our risk and reward nicely balanced. So this is a good trade, folks, and we can put this in. Of course, we don't need to keep it till 24th. Of course, I think between today and tomorrow itself, we should see quite a bit of time decay on this. Of course, depends on the move, but it's already moved 18 points. So now, how much more is it going to go today? Not sure. But anyway, we are 55 points away on both sides. I'm going to go for this, and let's see if we can pick up 85 cents on the put side, and then the call side is about $1. It shows. Let's see if we can pick that up. 90 cents, and this is $1. Perfect. We've got $1.90 on the SPX. That is perfect. So we'll maybe a 5 or 10 cents extra we might have got, but regardless, we will keep it right here. So we've got this condo. Yeah, this is not a stable number, obviously. So yeah, this would be more. Yeah, we are at break even there. And Google is also moving up nicely. It's close to 189. So let's keep it here. Let's watch some charts. All right. So what I've done, folks, is I've put the 200 short call and 207. That's because we want to protect this move, and you're getting about $1.36. Google, if it reports well, it's going to go into this tent, and that will be perfect for our trade. I'm going to put this in and protect the move that Google has made. So we'll see if that gets executed. But Google's looking good. Oh, it's crossed 189. So good time to put this one. Yeah, it's up 10% right now. So let's see if we can get that executed also. Otherwise, Tesla, everything, SPX, all of it is pretty much flat. So I'm going to bring this Google trade also to our day trades, and so we have a butterfly on Google. It protects it. You can see $155. So that's pretty good. And if you consider the butterfly part of it also, our trade has very little risk here. So that's good. SPX just about flat, and Tesla also just about flat. So we'll keep it here. We'll just watch some charts. Okay, folks, I think all three trades are pretty well set now. Google, SPX, and Tesla. Tesla is still trying to find some support. It should, because it was looking so bullish in the pre-market. SPX is fine. We are right in the middle, and Google is fine. We have a butterfly. So good day. We booked about let's say 1400 plus 1400, which is a lot more than we can ask for. 2800. We are up to 15,000, almost 15,500 for this service, which started on June 2nd. So we are in our seventh week, or rather, I believe our eighth week may have started today, but still very good. Far exceeds what we had anticipated. All right, folks, I think that's good. We are set for today, and look forward to seeing you all back tomorrow, and we'll pick these trades up from there. But all three trades are well set, and look forward to seeing all of you tomorrow. Have a nice day, everybody. Thank you.